No. An electrical transformer is a static electrical device that transfers electrical energy between two or more circuits through electromagnetic induction without any moving parts. Its primary function is to step up or increase or step down alternating current AC voltage level while maintaining frequency, enable of efficient transmission and distribution of electricity. Transformers are foundational to modern power system. Electricity generated to a power plant, typically 11 kilovolt to 30 kilovolt. It step up to high voltage like 220 kilovolt to 7,000 kilovolt for long distance transmission, reducing energy losses. Then step down to lower voltage for industrial and residential use. They also serve an electronic to insulate circuit circuit with matches impedance and provide stable voltage supplies. Basic construction sa transformer includes two more windings. Windings are common of magnetic materials like sample nga nila silicon, steel needle, lamination, primary windings connected din sa AC circuits, secondary AC circuits. AC circuits of transformers. When AC flows through the primary windings, it creates a changes of magnetic flux in the core. This changes flux passes through secondary windings, including an alternating voltage and current of circuit according to Faraday's law. This column for isolated transformers have equal primary and secondary turns to isolated circuit and prevent ground loops, while transformers are single winding with tops that adjust voltage, offering higher efficiency but no electrical insulation. Cooling methods include air cooling for small unit, oil cool for medium large unit, and forced liquid cooling. Members sa DC motors usa ka magnetic flux and second kan sa discussion the law of electromagnetic induction. It's known as Faraday law, named after Faraday. Kanang si Jay discover Faraday law ang discover ani in 1831. Fundamental ni sa usa ka principles sa physics ja members of voltage and conductor flux. The law states that the electromotive force induced in a closed circuit is equal to the negative rate of exchange of magnetic flux through circuit, where N is a number of turns in coil in the change of magnetic flux. Negative sign when law in corollary Faraday law indicates that whose magnetic field opposes the change in flux that produces it, ensuring conservation of energy. This law forms the basis of operation of generators, transformers, motors, and modern electrical devices.